Welcome to part 2 from my battle. Now it's my turn. Bakugan, brawl, miss.
Bakugan brawl. Bakugan stand.
Bakugan, brawl, Bakugan stand.
Bakugan brawl.
That's a miss. Bakugan, brawl, Bakugan stand. Now it's the battle. Now, my sister have 710 G power. With the bonus is 90 G power. Is 800 G power. With mine is 700. And my total G power is then 750. But now I lose.
Yes, I won. Bakugan, gate card sets. Bakugan brawl. Bakugan stand.
Now,
We're having a battle now.
With my Bakugan have 600